I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I will show you how to sew a pleated split wrap V-neck dress. Also, sewing pattern link is in the description box. And let's get started. First, with right sides together. Then sew the back and the side of back at the princess seams. And sew a zigzag on the raw edges of the seam allowance. And press the seam flat. Next, sew the waist dart on the left front panel, and use the lettucey edge of the hem seam to sew the curve of the left skirt panel. Work with the right skirt panel, fold the pleats, and secure the pleats with pins. You can work on the wrong or right side of the fabric. This won't affect the dress. Do the same things with the right and front panel. Sew a straight line of 0.5 centimeters from the edges, as screen show. Next, with right sides together. Then sew the front and the back bodice pieces together at the shoulder seams. Matching right sides together. Then cut the facing sheet with 3 centimeters wide. Start at the waist and work down to the hem. Then sew a straight line of 1 centimeter from the edge. Then press the seam open. Fold the facing under towards the wrong side. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end. Then, insert the needle into the fold of the hem, in between the 2 layers of fabric. Next, insert the needle into the main fabric a little ways over, keeping it level with the fold of the hem, and catching a tiny amount of the fabric. Repeat by passing the needle through a very tiny amount of fabric again, keeping in line with the first dot you sewed. When you have all of your stitches completed, pass the needle through the fold. Each stitch should be the same distance apart, so the dots are evenly spaced on the right side of the fabric.
Smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me.
And press.
Fed up with you, crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Repeat for the neckline and the armpit hem.
I will never smile for you.
Next, sew with right sides together, the right front and right of skirt at the waist line.
Goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that I
Then mark a
feel
hole 2 centimeters wide, about 2 centimeters from the outer edge. This hole for the waist piece through. Then sew a straight line of 1 centimeter from the edge. Do not sew through the hole. With right sides together, the left of front and left of skirt at the waist seam. Then sew a straight line of 1 centimeter from the edge. Also mark the pointed edge on the waistline of the left skirt.
friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around.
Match the left of front and right front together at the waist seam. Then sew a line 1 centimeter from the edge,
But I'm not gonna wake up.
starting from the side seam to point A.
I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there? When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean
Fold the waist piece along the fold line, with the wrong side out, and then sew a straight line of 1 centimeter from the edge. Turn the waist piece right side out, and thread the waist piece through the hole.
not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
Pin and cut off the excessive fabric.
Let me have another day, don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna
And sewing.
No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake
Next, sew with right sides together the back fit and back the skirt at the waist seam. Then sew a straight line of 1 centimeter from the edge.
up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
And press seam open.
Let me have another day, don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet.
Next, sew with right sides together the front and the back, but then sew the side seams.
Whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore.
Next, sew with right sides together sew the center back and add an invisible zipper.
You out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should. So it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Lastly, fold the hem toward the wrong side and sew the hem. And I'm done. I really like this dress. It's very pretty, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to sew this dress, please go to my website, sewpatterns.com. There is a wide selection of sewing patterns for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY. Thank you for accompanying me. Hope you learned interesting things from this video. See you in the next video. Bye.